Oke, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel video. So, in here, I want to do some the new project. The name is Smart Test. Same like the previous video before. I want to make it this project with my creation. I want to make it this project because I know this is my project, so I want to make it about this. Okay, so in here I want to. Sorry guys, there's many sound from this video. I'm so sorry because there's my friends talking with Indonesian language. I'm so sorry, and then guys, I want to make it this video with the first is the code. I will make it the code, because first after that I will showing how to make it the rough sample, right? And after that, after you are ready, we can do it this together, and we can do it and doing something a project. Okay, so the first is we have no, this is wrong. So I have to take it to the new project and make it the new project. In here we don't need the on start. I will reset this, and then I will take it the variable and make it the variable. The name is distance. Okay, so here find it the new extension. The name is this is adding this extension because this one is for important thing for you to have it. This first, this is, and this following what I'm doing, okay guys. And then in here we adding something again. The new extension again. The name is Volley Transform. Just adding about this because this one of the important thing about this code. Showing in here, and then find it this distance, and then following what I'm doing guys, because it's very important thing to you to have it this thing. And then I want to something to see what my teacher do it. Okay guys, I will continue to the right plan. So I'm not seeing the code again, and I just want to take it about this code. What is this? And we do duplicate it about this. We duplicate what this variable. We add to this, and then after that I will show to you how I make it about this code. And searching share for what this so very important things to you to have it, because you want to make it this like, so you need this you want to make it like the smartest, like the IOT. That's why you need to have it about this. If you don't have, yeah, it's not it's not my problem. It's your problem. If I know is hot, and then this is with make it this. No, this is 90, and then this is, I don't know, maybe this is 500. If I'm not wrong, this is zero. Wait a minute, I want to see something again. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm ready to repair it about this code, and I already problem solving about this code in the Google with my teacher. So this is the code, and we need it in here, and after we already make it the code, we want to do it something good is like it about this is the microbit or the chip. You need this for make it, but to make it your IoT is more perfect. And I know this code is very good. Okay, wait a minute. I want to repair about this. Okay, in here we have this so important thing, and you look at about this. This the female cable, and there is the male one in here. There is the male cable, and this is so important thing. I already explanation about this cable, but I want to make it explanation again. So this so important things on this video. So I want to you to see it about this. This is for very important thing, and yeah, I want to make it this, and we don't forget. You need something that is very important. I want to. After that, we do it like the correct one, and this the echo is P for echo. When the minute is P for okay. So the name of this card is motherboard. So you need this motherboard because it's very important for the IoT and then in here there's a pin thing is a P3, so we take it in here P3. And then in here, look at this is the self cover. This is one of the important things too in here because of what? Because if you don't have about this, so you cannot to make it about this. So this is for the plugin, and you can here. So the first is you have to do it like this. Maybe the orange color in here in the cell bar you can again into the P0 in here. Wait a minute. And then after that there is the connecting one in the to the G and D again in here. But don't forget first the G and D and this. So if these are the correct, sorry. So if this code is already correct, you can make it about this. Wait a minute. Sorry guys, I'm pause my video. I don't know because I'm so heavy. So this is look at this is I'm pausing about this. So this is the cable I already tell to you before. Oh, but maybe I forget this the motherboard, and then this is the big one is the board, and that's like the ultrasonic EL sensor in here is the sensor, and is the microbit code, the microbit chip, and the new version. And then here you want to know how I make it about this. The first is you can do it like this. And I want to show to you like that. It's so easy because just do it like that. One is because it's so very easy to do it, but you have to understand about the core and you can searching about the core and in my video. Sorry, yeah. Okay, guys. So I want to continue to talking about this product. Wait a minute. I want to searching about this. This is because this is one of the what in here. I want to searching first. I found it. So after that, after you found it, this is just the old code, but this is same. I remember, and I did not this. Just plug in into this code, and that's why that I the explanation I already show to you how to do downloading the video and the card. It's just the same perfect and the same to tutorial, but if you be patient, you can do it by just be patient. If you always be patient, maybe you can. Oh, sorry, maybe there's something error about this code. I want to try again. Okay, guys, try again about this code. And this is take. Let's take this back. Now, I want to search in here. This is add. Get in here, guys. After you already make what is, you can plug in into this, and then you can try it again to make it your coder is more perfect than before. Okay, I'm ready to make it about this function or not. I want to try about this. This is can be a get process if you do it with a team of without a team without the process you cannot do it. I don't know why this is not get the function. I don't know, maybe this is something a little bit error. I want to check it first. Okay, guys, but yes, okay, be patient. I want to searching about the problem solving in here. Okay, I want to pause my video. Okay, guys, after that I'm already prepared about this. So you need it about this cable to plug in this course. So I already prepared about this course. Yeah, there is just something error. The GND to GND is I'm wrong to this coder. So yeah, I will do it this and I will show to you the quarter time in here. I hope you can understand about this. Yes, just plug in it in the Discord. And suddenly this is like plugin to it. Okay, in there. This is so you can look at in here how this project is, but this is just I just make it the prototype. Just make it the prototype because this is can be a function, but unit is this is just the prototype in here. Okay, in here. If you do it with this, the server will automatically move it and move it like what I am doing because of what because I will get in here. Okay, in here. This is can automatically move if you do it with the protocol. So yeah, this is just the our explanation to you about this code. I will stop in about this. So if you need it about this, I will show you how to move it. So to the GND, you can move it to the GND. There's a title in here, okay, in here. This is so easy to plug in to this board. So GND to this board. Sorry, there is many sounds in here. I want to repeat again. Sorry, and there is a P1 in here. And there's a title in here. You you can do it with this when with this camera. You get in here. So guys, I added to explanation to you. This is the order. This is the motherboard. Oh no, this is the motherboard. So this is so important to yes, the title. Again, and you can to with this coder. So in here, I don't know what happened. So yeah, Just wait. Okay guys, maybe just this for my video. I the explanation to you all about this. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I'm so sorry if I'm mistake and but to say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.